Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into a real powerhouse, the best electric jackhammer. If you're into construction, renovation, or heavy-duty DIY, this might just be the tool you've been looking for. So stay tuned for the full breakdown, and let's get started. Product features: 4 versatile chisel bits. It includes 4 high-quality chisel bits, a clay spade, scraping chisel, flat chisel, and point chisel. All are made from heat-treated alloy steel for long-lasting durability and strength. You'll be prepared for a variety of jobs right out of the box. Complete accessory set. You also get a pair of protective gloves, hex wrenches, and a carrying case, all included. This means you don't have to shop for extras to get started. Built for performance. The tool's heavy-duty metal body is corrosion-resistant and designed for long-term use, even in harsh environments. 360-degree adjustable forehandle. You'll get excellent control thanks to the rotating front handle, which allows for comfortable operation from different angles. And the rubberized grip helps reduce slippage and absorb vibrations. Vibration control design. Speaking of comfort, the D-shaped rear handle is designed to reduce hand and arm fatigue even during extended use. It's an important feature if you're planning to use the tool for long periods. Smart speed control and maintenance. The trigger and lock button combo makes it easy to manage speed and maintain control. There's also a handy oil port to keep things running smoothly and cooling holes that prevent overheating. Pros: high power output for tough demolition jobs. Comes with 4 durable chisel bits. Includes all essential accessories. Excellent control with adjustable handle. Vibration-reducing grips for better comfort. Easy maintenance with built-in oil port. Durable and corrosion-resistant construction. Cons: slightly heavy, might be tiring for smaller users. Not cordless. Requires access to a power outlet. Noise level is high, so hearing protection is recommended. Final thoughts: if you're working on a construction site, tearing out concrete slabs, digging trenches, or even doing some serious home renovation, the Vever electric jackhammer is a fantastic choice. It brings the power, precision, and safety features needed for demanding tasks. Plus, with all the accessories included, it's ready to work right out of the box. For its price and performance, it's easily one of the best electric jackhammers in its class. Make sure to check the price link in the description for the latest deals. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more smart product reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.